Hey there. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's been the subject of fascination and mystery for ages: a woman's weakness. Buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll be armed with powerful insights into the intricate workings of the female mind. So, what's the secret? Well, it's not what you might expect. Contrary to common belief, a woman's weakness isn't found in lavish gifts or grand gestures. No, it's something far more subtle yet incredibly potent: a detached man. Picture this: you're out and about, strolling down the street, and a stunning, jaw-dropping beauty crosses your path. Now, here's the catch. Instead of turning your head and gawking like every other guy, you remain cool, calm, and collected. You don't give her a second glance. Now, here's where the magic happens. By not showering her with attention, you trigger something deep within her psyche. Suddenly, she's intrigued. Why isn't this guy falling over himself to get her attention like everyone else? You've just sparked a mystery, my friend. And women, well, they love a good mystery. I've experienced this countless times in my own life. By simply not giving women the attention they expect, I've piqued their curiosity and captured their interest. It's like dangling a tantalizing puzzle in front of them. They can't help but want to solve it. But here's the thing. There's a fine line between being detached and being aloof. You see, being needy or desperate will only repel women faster than you can say, "Hey, what's your sign?" It's all about striking that perfect balance of indifference and intrigue. Now, before you go off thinking you can pull this off with just any woman, let me stop you right there. This tactic works best when you already have a plethora of female contacts in your phone. Why? Because it demonstrates that you're a man who's in demand, a man who's selective about where he invests his time and attention. And let me tell you, there's nothing more irresistible to a woman than a man who's in control of his own life, who isn't fazed by the prospect of rejection because he knows he's got options. Think of it like this. When you put a woman on a pedestal and chase after her, you're essentially saying, "Hey, I'm just another one of your admirers." And trust me, women can smell desperation from a mile away, and they don't like it. But when you adopt the demeanor of a detached, interesting, and mysterious man, well, that's when things get interesting. Suddenly, you're not just another guy vying for her attention. You're a challenge, a puzzle she's determined to solve. Now, I know what you're thinking. But how do I make her beg for my love? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Check out my other video where I spill the beans on that very topic. But remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to understanding the enigmatic world of women. So, keep learning, keep growing, and never stop honing your skills in the game of love. And hey, if you found this video helpful, be sure to smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you'll never miss out on any of my future insights into the female mind. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Until next time, stay mysterious, stay intriguing, and remember, you're the prize.